Hi everyone, I'm Aron. Welcome to the CanBest channel. Today at the factory, I'll introduce our CJFOLD foldable poster screen. Behind me, you can see 3 CJFOLD units spliced together. Today, I'll give a detailed intro on the size, folding method, and wireless cascading. First, let's look at the folding advantages of CJFOLD. This one here is 93 inches, 1200 by 2025 millimeters. Now we're folding it into a double-sided poster display. Notice the special design at the bottom. It leaves no gaps after folding. It looks great and is very sturdy. Now, as you can see, it has become a double-sided poster display with a size of 83 inches, measuring 600 by 2025 millimeters. Next, let's see how CJFOLD is folded and packed into a flight case. First, loosen the fixing screws. Then fold the screen inward. You can see the lamp bead sides of CJFOLD face each other, effectively protecting the LEDs and reducing collision risks during transport. After the first fold, the area is reduced by half. Next, we'll fold it from the sides. The specially designed base allows both sides to fit tightly together, leaving no gaps. Once folded, the footprint is only 1/4 of its unfolded state. Larger unfolded, smaller folded, that's a key advantage of CJFOLD. Next, I'll introduce another advantage of CJFOLD, wireless cascading. You can see there are no HDMI or network cables between screens, only power cables. Now, if I move one away, the image on this screen disappears instantly. When the 2 screens are close, the image automatically recovers. It quickly splices into a large screen without any signal cables. Next, I'll use these 3 CJFOLD units to form different shapes to meet the needs of various scenarios. The first is a 4-sided pillar made of 2 CJFOLD units. All 4 sides can play different content. The second is a 6-sided surround type, which can display richer content made of 3 CJFOLD units. Finally, we splice these 3 CJFOLD units together. These 3 have a pixel pitch of p1.8. When spliced together, they can form a 2K resolution. The large screen can achieve a golden ratio of 16 by 9, offering an optimal viewing experience. That's everything for the CJFOLD. If you're interested in this product, please feel free to contact us at any time.